Manchester United won and Leicester City won, and we get Oga Emperor will be like saying a very obungelistic Manchester United fan. Make you tell us about how he see the game and waiting things say go wrong for Manchester United and waiting things say Manchester United do well for the game. Oga Emperor, Manchester United don't lose draw another game, sorry, when Cristiano Ronaldo no starts. Because Manchester United never win any game when Cristiano Ronaldo no start or no play for them this season. Now, how you see Man U performance, and you think say this team they over reliant on one of the greatest players to ever play this football?
Um, Manchester United as a team, like the board itself has a problem. My God. The board itself had a problem. Okay. The board itself has a problem, brother. When it comes to defense, when it comes to our defense in today's match, you watch Dalot, Diego Dalot. They put Diego Dalot for that wing for him to able to the distribute pass come for the strikers, which is people waiting in the opposition box. But the guy know they do the work where they carry out they have to do. So what will be the reason why they bench one Bissaka they put Dalot? So our problem mainly start from our defense. If they say Maguire, say fans they criticize Maguire, via waiting in the pass through the blunders when they cause for the club. For in last match for England, they put Maguire. Why not rest this guy? Play Lindelof and Varane. Pair these two. Cry them for 2, 3, 4 games. Allow Maguire to rest. Issues food the Bobo head. Criticism. They criticize that Bobo a lot. So give us some rest. Make it rest. It come for our midfield. I don't know the reason why they go to play for Boba. Why? I don't know. But Boba wasn't supposed to be playing in Manchester United right now because he's not contributed. In the last 5 matches you have played, but Boba isn't there. Yeah, he's not playing anything in the game right now. I don't know the reason. No. I don't know whether they get issue with the board because we were the fans. We don't know what thing that happen for inside our house. Now the one we come out, we leak, we don't come out now we know. No. You understand? So you don't get defensive. The only defensive midfielder you have is only Matic. McTominay is not a defensive midfielder. McTominay, as a player, does not even know his natural wing. He don't know where he go play. But today, if he perform from 8 or 10, he go 50 cent and wing be that. He go perform well for you. The next thing he try and come back, make it come they play for. McTominay never play any match without a yellow card. Anytime he play that defensive midfielder, defensive role. Why? Why you go to see the plan? Play Matic. Matic is more experienced in that particular wing. For our front line, my brother, he be like saying Ronaldo now he can become our savior for the team.
Naim, because like you talk, according to the statistic people talk say any match when Cristiano Ronaldo no play for Man U never win on this season. Now be say small wahala dey for inside, small katakata dey for inside that front because it be like say the forward players don't know if they play well without Ronaldo. Now how you see this matter? And normally these players they play well, we see them even before Ronaldo come. What thing you think say can they go wrong now? Now say Papa come, they don't last after waiting.
They don't as Ronaldo come, the younger ones feel say don't come abeg, Muku leave and na him go they do everything. You understand? No be Ronaldo no go they do everything for owner. As Ronaldo, I don't like I've been with some Manchester United fans, like I'm trying like telling them that Ronaldo they our team before Ronaldo come, we they score more since Ronaldo come. Goals will score last season. This season we never score them. But we score those goals without Ronaldo. We score those goals without Ronaldo. You understand? So now today where Ronaldo no day to score goal they had Ronaldo. I don't understand. This is what we be saying I don't they do before Ronaldo come. And you as a club don't big pass that kind of thing. We don't even get paid. You didn't allow Jose Lingard leave the club because if he say Messi Gru would get issue. So May Lingard day as a substitute. Play the boy for match. He they keep him for bench. What is he doing on the bench? What's need? So you should have just allowed him go.
All right, now Gampero, real quick. I want to make when we enter the player rating. What do you go rate David Deja on a scale of 1 to 10 for in performance for this match?
That guy has been our savior. He's the savior of Manchester United. For real. That guy, in fact, to me, the Gate this season is our best player. For real. So if I'm asked to rate David De Gea, I will give him like 7/10.
7/10. Okay.
That David De Gea is really our savior. He's our savior this season, bro. Like, he has been fantastic. He has been fantastic. He delivers. But the problem is the defense. The defense, our defense, they're so porous. People just Baba, you don't tire me, I don't feel like.
All right, now what about Diego Dalot? Now, what do you go rating performance for the match?
I'll give that Bobo, because if I say make I give him 1, he go be like say I no get heart. But that boy no play anything. I'll give him 3. I'll give that Bobo 3, but that Bobo no play anything. 3/10. I'll give the Dalot. Our best player this season, I'm asked to give in this evening, in today's fixture, today's match. I'm going for Bruno Fernandes, bro. I'm giving him 8. He has been everywhere, even the goals. He gave Bruno Fernandes.
All right, now what about Harry Maguire? Harry Maguire and Rafael Varane. Wait till you go rate the two of them. That centre back pairing.
My brother, those two blunders. Playing 2 defenders wey no get pace. 2 of them no get pace. I'm giving Harry Maguire 2. Varane 2. No, their partnership no follow at all. They are not playing anything. At the best they talk this thing while they talk about my team, because these people they really, because the way maybe say the opposition team they enter me outside. You only know as Chelsea will lose today match, like, are they happy because they don't go to make man, because they talk a lot. Chelsea fans, they talk too much.
Okay, what about Luke Shaw? What do you go rate the performance?
I don't know the reason why they go even they start that bubble for match. England, because say I know that politics day for all this football shit, so I know already. So he's not supposed to be starting our match because Luke Shaw is out of form. Luke Shaw doesn't know how to cross ball. I'll give him 2. I'll go for 2 for Luke Shaw. That defense entirely.
Scott McTominay and Fred, what do you go rate the 2 of them?
McTominay and Fred. Now, McTominay, to me, I think they should send that boy back to the bench. Fred, he was fantastic. I'll give him 6. He's good. But let Manchester United allow Matic to be starting ahead of McTominay. Matic is a defensive midfielder. He's a defensive midfielder. He knows this thing so well. He's old. He's experienced. So he should be doing this. I know we are going definitely by somehow we are going to get a defensive midfielder. But for now, we need that of 4. So for now, let's Matic be playing. I'll give McTominay. I'll give him 3. 3/10. Okay. Fred, I'll go for 6.
All right. Now, what about Anthony Elanga, Paul Pogba, and Jadon Sancho? What do you go rate them?
Jadon Sancho, my brother, Jadon Sancho wasn't that too good, but he tried. I'll give him 4/10. When it goes to Elanga, I'll give him 3. Pogba, I'll give him 1. I'm giving Pogba 1. He needs to leave the team. He's not supposed to be playing in our team. May they allow this boy go. Pogba is the second highest paid player in Manchester United. So he should go. He's not playing anything. That money when they job now free money, make him go.
Okay, now real quick, the substitute Alex Telles, Marcus Rashford, and Matic. What do you go rate them?
They contributed a lot. They did a very Rashford actually proved himself today, but decision making, he fuck up, but he tried.
Okay, so what do you go rate the 3 of them? Telles, Rashford, and Matic.
Rashford 2/10. Telles 3/10. Matic 4/10.
All right, now real quick, Oga Emperor, before we go wrap up this match reaction, how you see the top 4 battle? Because the top 4 battle this season, it be like say the team no go easy. We see the point between Chelsea, Arsenal, Manchester United, Tottenham, the gap not too big like that. You dey confident as the Manchester United fan say Manchester United will secure top 4 by the end of the season with what you see.
My brother, no verse. If I tell you say I dey confident for this kind of thing, I dey lie. That's I go now be sentimental fan because I know if you get confident for this kind of thing. Say Arsenal get 2 games for hand where they need to play, which is they play, they go they pass me with like 7 points, if not more than. So, but if Manchester United can be able to beat Arsenal and Chelsea, which me as a Manchester United fan, as a true Manchester United fan, I know that it's impossible. It's impossible. Cannot no to fall hope for us this season. Arsenal, Chelsea, Man City, and Liverpool are going to Champions League. I don't think Manchester United can make it. But if Manchester United can be able to beat Chelsea and Arsenal, top 4 hope is assured for us.
Okay. All right, now, Guy Imperial, thank you for your time, and we hope say real soon Manchester United will begin put smile for your faces and all the face of all the Ogbonge Manchester United fan. You too much.
Lastly, to my fellow Manchester United fans, my brother, I go tell them say, more gonna just get hope say we go bounce back. We no be Chelsea, no be all these Chelsea, Arsenal fans will be say club go dey fuck up, he go dey run. I know some Arsenal fans wey still believe say they go bounce back and they don't bounce back today. So more gonna just try day. Nothing they happen, nothing they we go come back. Now we the Red Devils. You know they call us Red Devils from how to go bounce back.